The reason why I often don't use underline in any kind of WordPress or page builder is because it looks like this. I have my line, it's going under my text, but it crosses across the bottom part of the piece, so it breaks up. I cannot move that line. With a background in Quark Express back then and InDesign, this really frustrates me that I don't have control over that simple line. And my thinking is always, it can't be done. Divi says it can be done. Before we continue, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and a good wherever you are. My name is JP. This is about Divi, and this channel is websites for beginners. I almost changed the name, but we're looking at Divi 5, one of my favorite builders in 2026. A lot going on, and Divi just has this ability to give me the stuff that I thought was unthinkable. Look at all of these underlining options that I'm showing you here. This is the standard underline. Then I have a color for my line. Here I can change the thickness of the line. This one with the pink, I've actually increased the space between the line and the text. And then the one below this, very difficult to see maybe, but it's a double underline. I just made it really thin. Let's have a quick look at how you do that. The first thing I will do is bring in a text module. Go to that and let's add some text here. I'll call it my new text. And then we go over to our design. Under text, let's change the size quickly. I'll just grab the slider. If I do a tad more, this happens, and the reason for that is because of the text line height. It's set to 1.7 M, but as you know, not everything is the way they appear. Just type in a 1 and an enter, and now you actually have 1 M. With the text selected, we change the color. Let's make it darker, black. It's easier to see. And then we talk about where we get the underline. The underline, nothing new, but now you have the full control. Once I click on underline, what's going to happen are the options. Click on it. You see we have text line color, text line thickness, text line offset, and then the text line style. Now the style is the one at the bottom. You're very used to this. You get double, you get dotted, etc. Good. Let's talk about the rest. Text line color. There we go. That is standard. Then we have the text line thickness. Nice if you want to create interesting design options here, or if you want to go very thin, all the way down to 1 pixel. I love the control that I have here. Next, text line offset, very important one. As you can see, as I drag it below the Y, I get a solid line. So that little thing that used to annoy me, I have the option to do that now. And yes, that graphic design background, especially in layout design with InDesign, and now we also have Affinity. This is the kind of thing that I really need to control over. And that's it. But these 4 little functions makes this a power tool within Divi. Really appreciate this update. If you want to know more about Divi, remember to follow the link in the description below. Loads of stuff still coming from my side, JP. Have a fabulous day.